Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. This video will be the makeup look that you see here right now. It's pretty simple, but at the same time it looks so festive and amazing as we are going to the Christmas and all this stuff. So this video will not have a voiceover thing because I'm changing the lighting a little bit. So it's first, it's a test. Second, it's kind of like get ready with me, so it's will be like quickly and showing you everything I do in like a speed up pattern. So this is intro. It's in English because it's the first language, and of course there will be a subtitle like in other language for this intro only, but the rest of the video will be like having a nice music and enjoy watching this makeup. I wanted to apply some false lashes, but I ended up having these lovely like amazing. The mascara that I use in this video is so fabulous. As you can see, really crazy. Make my lashes really nice, like having falsies already. So I ended up not adding the falsies. So anyway, so stop loving, and I hope you love this video and enjoy it, and hope the lighting will not be that bad. And yeah, at first you will see that the foundation doesn't match my skin. I thought it will be a nice match, but when I applied it, it became more like whiter or like more paler than my skin tone. As I tried it on my chest, it was pretty good actually. When I tried it, I didn't use it from a while, so maybe that's why like I have a little bit of tan from the sun, like going to work or something. I don't know, but this was a test for this foundation because I didn't use it from a while. That's why it will look so big on my skin the first time I applied it. I tried to like tune everything, and I hope it looks so good on me right now, like matching my chest. And yeah, anyway, so that's for the intro. So let's go and enjoy the tutorial. And if you love this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section down below. And happy holidays, and I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. Hi.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity, and hey, can I follow you back to your room? Watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Can I follow you back to your arms? Wash it all off in the river of your heart. There's a million different songs that I learned to sing. Watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, and don't be a stranger. Follow you back to your arms. Wash it all off in the river of your heart. There's a million different songs that I learned to sing. Watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, don't be a stranger. Wash it all close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. Somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it.